Excuse me, could you please help me with one address? I need to go to EFA for an interview. Right, EFA. EFA is a spoken English organization. I know the address. Go straight, straight. Then go left. Left. Then right. EFA. Excuse me, could you please help me? Sure, why not? You see, I need to go to EFA. Where is EFA? EFA? You mean English Foundation Academy? Yes. Oh, I just love this organization. Well, do one thing. Just go straight and take a left turn. Move towards your left until you reach the AC market. Once you reach the AC market, go behind the market and move towards the Bank of India. Once you reach there, take a left turn and then take a right turn. Move towards the intersection. Once you reach the intersection, take a roundabout turn and go towards the DJP Mall. Once you reach that mall, you will see a bridge. Just cross that bridge and the institute will be just on your left-hand side. Excuse me, can you please guide me with one address? Of course, why not? What's the matter? I have to go to EFA. EFA? Well, yes, that's one of the best spoken English organizations. Really? Tell me something. Do you have a cell phone? Yes, most certainly. I have an iPhone.
Wow.
Do you have Google Maps in it? Of course. Smartphone, smart me. Why don't you just use it then?
Huh?